Guided meditation. Confidence. Welcome to a guided meditation for confidence. Whenever you are ready, find a comfortable position. You can lie down or be seated in an upright posture with your legs crossed and your hands placed gently upon your knees or in your lap. Let your body and your mind sink into complete stillness. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Let your eyes drift closed. Become aware of your breath flowing in and out through your nostrils. Relax the muscles in your forehead, eyebrows, cheeks, and let your jaw unhinge. Remember, there may be times where you are distracted with thoughts or sensations. It's okay for the mind to wander. Don't worry or feel frustrated. It's completely normal. Welcome those thoughts and let them go, as if they are weightless clouds passing by in the sky. Now, imagine yourself standing in a meadow on the hillside. Above you is a beautiful blue sky. You are walking through this meadow, noticing every detail, pebbles and stones, grass and moss. You observe the trees along your path and notice their branches, leaves, how they smell, what noises they make. You feel very observant in this moment. You feel content and joyful on this path. And now, you hear trickling water. You stand and watch the water as it flows in the nearby distance. You continue down the path and start walking beside the stream, going downhill. You follow its lead. Fresh water flowing down. Soon, you notice the stream meets a pond. You gently find a spot to sit. The pond is still. The water is completely reflecting the sky and the trees around. This is a magical pond, a pond that can show you the pure confidence you possess. You look at the smooth surface of the water. You take a deep breath and start reviewing all aspects of your life, looking at the pond. Begin to shift your attention to all the brilliant qualities you possess. You can see your healthy body, taking good care of your health. You visualize a healthy, calm mind, absorbed in total tranquility. In the reflection, you can see how you are meditating, feeding your mind good thoughts, good ideas, and helping it to build its calm and strong state. You see yourself with happy, healthy relationships, having joyful moments with friends, family, colleagues, and loved ones. You see various aspects of your career, of your business beautifully blossoming. You see yourself committed, persevering, continuously making good, meaningful effort. Your work life is in balance the way you like it. You also see your finances in good health, well taken care of, giving you the ability to take care of yourself, your loved ones. You see yourself in a beautiful, cozy home. In a home filled with love, calm, and peace. You visualize all these different aspects of your life, and you see it manifesting with honest confidence. Notice the emotions that arise to the surface. Feel how your soul is gleaming. You are so magnetic, shining warm and bright. Acknowledge that confidence is a state of being. It may take some time to strengthen this energy that is always accessible to you. But you are on your way. You are on the right path. You are making a shift to a place where you are in alignment with your inner being. Believe your desires are coming true. You have the power to make it happen. Now, repeat the following affirmations quietly in your mind after me. I deserve the best, and I accept the best. I am brave. I am bold. I am strong. I own my own power, and I take up the space I deserve. I may succeed, or I may instead simply learn from this situation. I am strong. I have survived so many things to get where I am. My goals are attainable, and my habits help me get there. My presence is more powerful than any obstacle I may face. I am willing to do what it takes to create lasting, positive change. Wellness is the natural state of my body. I've got all the potential in the world. My confidence knows no limits. As this practice comes to an end, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your body, letting go of any control of the breath. Perhaps wiggle your body from side to side, your toes and your fingers, making small movements in small places, moving on to larger ones. Gently begin to stretch in any way that feels right to you. Slowly bring yourself back to the room you are in. There is no rush, no hurrying, just moving, stretching easily. Allow the calmness and peace to remain with you when you move. Finally, thank yourself on having taken the time to nourish your body and your mind in this way. Let your breath be a source of constant strength and energy. a source of balance and well-being. Softly begin to open your eyes.